Welcome back to Jyovis. Today we're going to see how you can order Active Forever 21 Days program, which is an online video course. So first step is you go to www.jyovis.com. You see a page which looks like this. So after you come to this page, there is an option which is courses. After you press on this button, you come to a page which looks like this. So click on Active Forever 21 Days program. You see a page which looks like this. Here is the introductory video, the duration of the course, what the course is all about, what is the procedure which I'm explaining you right now, what will you learn, and what are the topics, what is the curriculum, the episode 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like the index of the video course. So go through all the information, and after you go through all the information, you click on add to cart. Click on add to cart, you see a page which looks like this. So if you're registering for the first time, click on create an account and fill in all these details. Remember your email and your password. Then click on register and you'll come back to the same page. Then again click on add to cart and you'll see a page which looks like this. So check all the details, make sure the quantity is 1. After that, proceed to checkout. And then after this, you see a page which looks like this. Fill all these details, and the most important step is your email ID. Enter the same email ID which you entered while creating an account. And after doing this, click on place an order. Then complete your payment process. After you complete your payment process, what you see on your screen is this page. So this page says your order has been received, and here there's a small note. Hi, thank you for purchasing this course. Our team will proceed your order within 12 to 24 hours. You'll receive a note on your mailbox. So you have to give us some time and our team will accept your order. This might take just few minutes or just few hours, but within 12 hours or within 24 hours maximum, our team will accept your request, and after that you will get a notification on your mailbox. You will get an email which looks like this. So here's the mail which says your Jyovis order has been marked complete on our side, and there will be a note over here. You can click on this note and then you'll see a page which looks like this. Also, you'll get another mail which says a note has been added to your order. You'll get a note over here like log in now or your enrolled course is active now. You'll get a message over here which says your order has been confirmed. After that, you click on this link or you click on this link which is the dashboard link, and then you'll get a page which looks like this. Enter your username, enter your password, log in, and then you get a page which looks like this. So click on enroll courses. Then you see a page which looks like this. After that, click on this button and then you see a page which looks like this. Here is the course status. As you go on completing, the percentage will go on increasing. So the course status, duration, all the details are over here, and then you press on start course. After you click on start course, you'll see a page which looks like this. So this is what it looks like. You can go through all the episodes, and if you have any questions during this course, you can click on browse Q&A, write down a question, and we are here to answer all your questions, all your doubts. The mail ID, the WhatsApp number, all the information is anyway with you. You've subscribed to the YouTube channel, so any of your questions, any of your doubts, feel free to connect with us. So this is how you can order Active Forever 21 Days program, which is an online video course. I hope things are clear. See you all in the course. Until next time, look impressive, be progressive.